this is the question number 3 of the combinedness paper 1, right? Complex number. So this is the Argand diagram sum, right? The Argand diagram. So you have to go the half line. This half line in the Argand diagram. Thereafter you have to find the minimum value of this one, right? Minimum value. So when you draw half line of this half line, so this is the half line arc C minus 2 minus 2y equals minus 3 pi by 4. So this half line starts from this point. That is, so you arrange like this arc C minus 2 plus 2y. Then you can identify the initial point of the half line. So this is the initial point. So leaving minus sign here, you have to identify that. This is the point. From this point, this half line starts. And the angle is minus 3 pi by 4. Therefore, so you can draw this half line. This is starting point. X coordinate equals y coordinates. Right? So this also 2, this also 2. Therefore, this minus 3 pi by 4, always you measure this angle from the positive x-axis. And because of this minus negative angle, so you have to measure clockwise direction. So, because this angle is 3 pi by 4, this line should pass to the origin. This x, this y, real axis. Thereafter, they ask find the minimum value of this one, IC plus 1. What is the minimum value of this one? So, minimum value actually, this is something different. At once you can't imagine what is this, no? But normally they ask always distance. So, you should try which distance they are asking. And this not, you can't, because somehow you have to, there should be a connection with this, right? Otherwise you don't manage this sum within 4.5 minutes time, right? So therefore, you just think, if you look at this carefully, this one, this I1, instead of 1 you can put, instead of minus 1, you can put I square. Thereafter you can take I out. This equals IC minus I squared. Right? Thereafter you take I out. Then C minus I C. Is it bar? Is it bar? I is it bar minus I? Right? Then I is it. Then is it bar minus I. The modulus of I is 1. So this is C bar. So you can put this I bar. Then this equals C plus I whole bar. This equals C plus I. Okay? So you can use in some identities in complex numbers. You know that conjugate of two complex, sum of two complex numbers equal to, so you can apply conjugate separately. Right? Therefore, you can, this equals full conjugate of this full complex number, sum of this complex number. Thereafter, you can remove this conjugate because you know that conjugate of modulus of the conjugate equal to the this, right? Modulus of the conjugate equal to the modulus of conjugate of z is equal to modulus of z. Therefore, you can remove this conjugate sign, right? So, what is this? This actual distance between I minus in. This also you can look at as difference, minus minus I, right? So this is the distance between 2 points. What are the 2 points? One point is constant point, that point is minus I here, minus I. Other point is any point on this half line. As z varies, what is the minimum distance from minus I to this line? Right? What is the minimum distance from minus I to this line? That is actually perpendicular distance from this. Right? So if you take this is P, this is Q. So PQ, this angle is pi by 4. So OP side, and this distance is 1. This distance is 1 because here minus side is 1. So this distance is this 45 degree. This one side pi. Therefore, minimum of modulus IC bar plus 1 is equal to 1 sin 45. 1 sin 45 is 1 into root 3. So therefore 1 over root 2. Right? Minimum value is 1 over root 2. Right?